Hello everyone and welcome back to another Adobe Illustrator tutorial. So today we are going to learn how to create this 3D text effect in Adobe Illustrator. So let's start the video. First, let's remove this text effect and let's type our text. The font I'm using for this text effect is Grinched and the font size will be 125 point. Let's center this to the artboard and next we'll click on none to remove the fill color and then we'll go to appearance panel. Here click on this add new fill icon and next we need to apply a gradient color to this layer. Let's go to gradient and let's apply a default black and white gradient and let's apply a 90-degree angle and let's change the colors. First we'll apply this color and next we'll apply this color. Let's change the location of these points. Let's move this to 70% and let's move this to 8%. Next we'll go to appearance panel and duplicate this layer and now we'll select this layer and let's change the colors. Next we need to apply a transform effect to this white layer. Let's go to effect, distort and transform and here in move section apply a -1 pixel for vertical and then click OK. Next duplicate this layer. Now select this layer and let's change the color of this layer. Then click OK. Next we need to apply a transform effect to this layer also. Click on this arrow, then click on transform and let's change the values. 0.5 pixel for vertical and this time we need 12 copies. Then click OK. Next select this layer and duplicate this layer. Now drag this white layer to bottom and now select this layer and we need to apply offset path to this layer. Let's go to effect, path and offset path and apply a 10 pixel offset path and change the joints to round. Then click OK. Next click on this transform effect and change the value. We need 6 pixel for vertical and then click OK. Next close this and let's change the color of this layer. Next duplicate this layer. Now select this layer and let's change the color first. Then click OK. Next click on this arrow and let's apply a one more transform effect to this layer. Let's go to effect, distort and transform click on apply new effect and here in move section we need 0.5 pixel for vertical and this time we need 16 copies and then click OK. Next we need to apply a drop shadow effect under this layer. So select this layer and duplicate this layer. Now select this layer and change the color to black. Now click on this arrow and let's apply first an offset path to this layer. Let's go to effect, path and offset path, and apply a 4 pixel offset path. And let's change the joints to round and then click OK. Next, let's remove this transform effect and let's apply a new one here. For this, let's go to effect, distort and transform, and transform. And here in scale section we need 101%, and for vertical we need 95%, and here in move section we need 18 pixel for vertical. Then click OK. Next, click on opacity and change the opacity to 40%, and then change the blend mode to multiply. Let's close this and let's select this layer and now duplicate this layer. Now select this layer and change the color of this layer to black. Next, click on this transform and here just change the copies to 26 and then click OK. Then click on opacity and change the opacity to 20%. Then change the blend mode to multiply. Now again select this last layer and duplicate this one more time. Now click on this arrow and then click on this transform effect and change the copies to 46. Then click OK. Now click on opacity and change the opacity to 10%. And here we go. In last, we need to apply arc effect. Let's go to effect, warp and arc, and we'll apply this arc effect, and let's change this to 26% and this to -10%. Then click OK. So here is our final text effect look. I hope you have learned something from this video. Please do like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.